bench is a mess as usual. Probably should clean it up. Yeah, I picked up a few new items this week. One was a bottle of Cheerwine soda, which I don't drink this every day. I certainly haven't drank it since 1917, but I discovered it a few years ago, and it's really good. Actually, where's that bottle gone? Oh, it's right here. So anyway, I discovered I like it. I find it once in a while. You can find it at Runnings. What else? Picked up a Chinese brass hammer. I guess I've always wanted one, but I could never see spending $39 on a piece of brass. But we could all thank Harbor Freight for bringing down the price of brass. Apparently, they did it pretty easy. It's probably not designed to be beating on my, what do you call it, welding table, but $20, can't go wrong. 20 bucks, save me $10. I mean, really, is it really gonna make a difference if I spend 30 or 20 bucks on a piece of brass? Or is it like maybe the handle might break? I don't know, but really, this brass is how bad could the Chinese screw up a piece of brass? Nobody answered it, please. Probably somebody can. I also picked up a polycarbonate abrasive wheel at, what do you call it? What do they call it? Yeah, Harbor Freight. Haven't tried it. It was just, I bought a cheap one. Believe it or not, if you take one of these and you spill something on tile, they don't scratch. You can just wipe it right off with one of these things. Like, it makes a easy cleaning thing. I haven't opened it because I pretty much collect abrasives right now. What else? I bought cap screws. Found a whole bunch for my jaws that I haven't finished. This week I'm going to finish the jaws. I bought enough to satisfy my affliction with cap screws for a little while. I also even picked up these were like, I think they're $10 at Harbor Freight. These are all non-metric. There's multiples each one. It's kind of weird though how these ones are all rusty. Like, really? Came all the way from China, rust included. These ones, or maybe I shouldn't call it rust, call it patina. Anyway, these ones are nice and, if you can see it, it's nice and dark. Well, actually, I'll show you the whole box. Look at this. See these ones? They're nice and dark. These ones have got a little red finish on them. So anyway, no big deal. These ones came in a fancy box. The other ones didn't. But yeah, I plan on finding a thread. These are M quarter inch, M12. I think it's M12. I'm not a big, like, I can't remember these numbers. That's what they got books and computers for. So, just thought I'd show you my latest haul. And I'll make another video after this. Anyway, if you like this short little video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.